Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a hat rack with bench with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. For a small bench, start with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place 4 1x2 ingots right on top. This is going to be the cushion for our bench. Now I want to flip this over and place a set of 1x2 rounded plates for little legs. For the hat rack, start with a 3x3 cross plate. I'm going to take a 1x1 2/3 plate. We're going to set that right in the middle. And on the remaining studs, 4 1x1 2/3 slopes. Place these right here. This is going to be the base of our hat rack. Next, take a 1x1 brick with 4 studs. I'm going to place a round 1x1 flat tile right on the top. Then I'm going to take a 6 stud long stick with flange. I'm going to place the flange portion right inside the brick. Just push that all the way up there. Then we're going to set this right inside of the 2/3 plate. Then we're going to take some of these studs with a little stick or handle. We're going to place these inside these tubes. But the stud is actually facing up. I believe that's 45 degrees. I'm not quite sure. And we're just going to populate each one of these tubes. Sometimes they can be stubborn, so you're going to have to persuade them in a bit. Place this last one right here. And let's grab ourselves some hats. You can use any type of hat. I've tried a few of these. They seem like they work okay. We'll put some snapbacks on here. And then let's throw this cowboy hat on there. And one of these retro style policeman hats or Coast Guard hats to complete the hat rack.